Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. This front light has seen better days. It's been on there for a long time. And I already changed the front door lock to a brandy new one. Check out that video right up here. So today it's time to change this one to a brand new light. So let's go. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is shut off the power. Now it's time to remove the light. We're gonna take these nuts off, this one and this one over here. These just come right off. If they're too tight, just use a pair of pliers. All right. This is what they look like, just little round nuts, okay? Hold it light, make sure it doesn't fall on your head. All right. Now you have all these wires and stuff. I'm just gonna cut these. Let's see, this one might have to. Okay. Next we gotta take off this bracket. It's just 2 screws on this one holding it, this one and this one. Jesus, these screws so freaking long. Let's take out the wires. It's like a big nest of crap in here. All right. Just unscrew the wire nuts. All right, this is a new light I got. This is what it looks like. Once you put your bulb in there and screw it in, this goes on top. You have your new bracket, new wire nuts, and some instructions. All right, guys, to wire this up, it's pretty easy. White with white, black with black, and then you have this other guy. This guy gets attached to this green one, and this bracket swivels over here. So when you set it how you want it, just tighten up these screws. Now, these guys, they're just attached the wire to this and nothing else, okay? Ideally, this should be, the wire should be coming in from the box, attached to this guy. If I could figure out how to take off this thing, this siding, then I'll do that. I attach the wire to the box and then come out. But if not, I mean, it's been in there so long, it's been fine all this time. If I can't do that, I'm just gonna wire it up, set the bracket, install the light, be done. All right, guys, I started taking this apart. This just came right off, but this box is nailed in there. I was taking the siding off to see what's holding it. There's 2 screws on either side. I'm not gonna bother doing this. I'm just gonna wire it up the same way they had it. And that's it. There you go. All right, these are the screws that came with it. I found better ones that work better than this one, so I'm gonna. I already got this one up here, and attach this guy right there. All right, so I'm just gonna screw these guys in there. And this part gotta tighten up. All right, guys, I'm gonna test this before I mount it, make sure it works. Go turn that breaker on and screw in that bulb here. Make sure this works, okay? All right, she's working good. Next, you gotta take these nuts off and these little washers. Alright guys, we got these wires together, and I just realized I'm supposed to put these wires inside here. So what I'm going to do is unscrew this, move the bracket over, stick these wires in there, and then put the bracket back and screw it in. Just slide this guy over, and these guys go in here. There you go. Shove everything in it as much as you can. And then I'm just gonna put this back together and screw it in place. And just put this on. And the nuts. Nuts, you just gotta put them in hand tight. I lost one of the washers, so only one side's gonna get a washer. All right. Next, you just gotta put the top on. All right, these, just snug them up. Don't over tighten these. That's it. All right, guys, what do you think? Much better. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.